So welcome again. So this is the next problem, that is illustration 5. Genetic theory states that children having one parent of blood type A and the other of blood type B will always be one of the three types, that is A, AB and B, and that the proportion of the three types will be on an average B as 1:2:1. So if A will be 1, then AB will be 2 times, then B will be 1. 1:2:1. A report states that out of 300 children, okay, so here 300 children having one A parent and B parent, 30% were found to be types A, 45% type AB, and remainder type B. Test the hypothesis by chi-square test. So once again, genetic theory states that children having one parent of blood type A, so the parent's blood type is type A and type B, okay, and the children blood type will be A, AB and B, and the proportion will be 1:2:1. So 300 children, out of 300 children, one A parent and one B parent, 30% were found to be type A, 45% type AB, and the remainder type B. So you have to test the hypothesis by chi-square test. Okay, so first of all, I will draw the table. I will take the whiteboard. Okay, so I will draw the table. So you know the chi-square table. Okay, so first of all, I will the column as type. So the three types are, one is A, then the second one is AB, and the third one, that is B. Okay, then what is the next column? What is the observed frequency? OI. Then what is the expected frequency? EI. Then you have to calculate OI minus observed minus expected frequency. Then you have to calculate observed frequency minus expected frequency, the whole square, and finally OI minus EI, the whole square, divided by EI. Okay, so you have to find the observed frequency. Okay, so here I have to find the observed frequency. So what is the observed frequency? Okay, so for A, what is the observed frequency? For AB, what is the observed frequency? And for B, what is the observed frequency? So here, out of 300 children, so n is equal to 300. 300 into, okay, so in the problem it is mentioned that a report states that out of 300 children having one parent and B parent, 30% were found to be type A. Okay, that means 300 into 30 by 100. So you will get, what is the value? So you will get value as 90. So this is 90. So that means OI is 90. This is 90. Then AB, 300 multiplied with 45% type AB. So 45 divided by 100. So that is equal to 135. So OI is 135. 135. Okay, and the remaining, that is 300 into, what is the remaining? So here 45 plus 30, 75. So 75 plus 25. So remaining means 25. So 25 divided by 100. So that is equal to 75. Okay, so these are the observed frequencies. So out of this 300, okay, so A, it is 90, AB is 135, and B is 75. So these are the observed frequencies. Then what is the expected frequencies? So expected frequencies, actually it is the ratio it is given as 1:2:3. Okay, 1:2:3. So total is 300. Okay, and the ratio is 1:2:3. Sorry, 1:2:1. Okay, sorry. One is to 2:1. So that means it is 75. Okay, then 150, then 75. So 150 plus 155, 150, it is 300. So 2:1. That means expected frequency is 75, then 150, then 75. I hope it's clear. So expected frequencies, it is given 1:2:1. It is given. Okay. Observed frequencies, it is 30% type A. So you have to calculate 300 into 30 by 100. Then AB, it is 45%. So 300 into 45 by 100. And the remaining, that is 25 by 100 into 300, that is 75. Then OI minus EI, that is 15 minus 15, it is minus 15, and this is 0. Okay, then you have to take the square, that is 225, 15 square 225. This is again 225, and this is 0. Then OI minus EI, the whole square by EI, that is 225 by 75. That is equal to, here the value is 3. Then 225 divided by 150, that is 1.5. Then 0 divided by 75, that is equal to 0. Then find the value of chi-square. Okay, so the value of chi-square is, you have to calculate, take the sum. So you will get the value as 4.5. You have to take the sum. Okay, so 3 plus 1, 4.5. Okay, so summation. So what is the summation? Summation is 4.5. Okay, you will get chi-square is 4.5. Then what is the table value? Find the table value, that is degrees of freedom. Degrees of freedom, that is equal to degrees of freedom, that is equal to n minus 1. So that is equal to 1, 2, 3. That is 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. And level of significance 5%. Level of significance 5%. Then you have to take the table. So here the degrees of freedom. So level of significance is 5%, that is 0.5, and the degrees of freedom 2. So what is the value? Yeah, this is the value. So the value is 5.991. This is the value. So chi-square value is equal to 5.991. Okay, so here you can see the table value. So this is the table value. So the table value, chi-square table value is greater than chi-square calculated value. So that means you have to accept the hypothesis. Okay, so you have to accept the hypothesis. Yeah. So here, yeah, illustration 5. So here, the calculated value is 4.5. So here the table value is more. So table value is 5.991. So that means accept the hypothesis. So accept the hypothesis means the genetic theory that on an average type A, B, and B stands the proportion of 1:2:1. So this is correct. This hypothesis is correct. 1:2:1. Okay, I hope it's clear. Thank you.